Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey, and we're going to go over how you would be able to replace this interior tail light. This is the you've got this portion that is all part of your brake light and rear marker light to let you know that your car lights are on. And then we have the reverse light bulb inside here. If this light's out, you'll have to replace the whole thing because this is all LED up top here. The bottom one here is a light bulb. And when you're purchasing lights for this vehicle, you would want to remember this is the XT model of Dodge Journey. So to replace this, we're gonna pop the trunk. And with the trunk popped, you can see these are number 7 bolts that we'll need to loosen and remove. And with those two removed, so after you remove those 2 bolts, you'll see that we got some space here, and we're just going to drop it down. There we go. And so much like the exterior one, we have 2 pins on this side that are holding it in, and so you just kind of work your way around using a good non-marring tool or a screwdriver with a cloth or good paper towel on the inside so you don't damage your paint. And then you're able to just work this out, get this out. Just like the other one, we have our electric connector on the bottom, and that's the one that is for the reverse light bulb. And then we have this one that's up here that runs the LED portion of your light. And then these are the 2 pins that are on the inside here that hold into these. And that's why you got it. Once you undo the 2 bolts here, you just kind of rock it a little bit and use something to pull it out. So to replace this light, we're just going to turn this a 1/4 turn to the left, and we'll be able to pull this light bulb out. And then to the light bulb, we just pull this unit completely out and get us a new light bulb. So this light bulb is a 7440, much like this one, just that this is a natural amber one and this is a clear one. So you'll take your clear light bulb and then snap it back into place. And then again we have the larger tab here that we're going to line up, and then turn this a 1/4 turn to the right to lock that into place. And then make sure you hook the electric back up. Press those together, and we've got the 2 tabs here to line up first, and just press. They'll lock in, and then we'll raise the trunk again. So with the trunk raised, we'll be able to put the 2 number 7 bolts back in and tighten those up. And that's how you would replace your inner taillight housing as well as your reverse light bulb on your 2016 Dodge Journey. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.